Ang dali para sa akin sabihin that God is my provider kung bagong sahod ako. Pero paano pag nawalan ako ng trabaho? Can I still proclaim that God is my healer kahit hindi pa rin gumagaling yung sakit ko hanggang ngayon? At kung marami akong pinagdadaan ng pagsubok, can I still say that God is good all the time? It is easy to believe things that we see, but it takes true and genuine faith to trust God on things unseen. Faith is trusting God when things are beyond our comprehension, beyond our control, capacity, and strength. Faith also allows us to fully rely and surrender to God's wisdom, His purpose, and His timing, even in times of complete darkness. At kung nawalan man tayo ng trabaho, ang pananampalataya ang siyang magbibigay sa atin ng katiyakan that God can sustain us and that He will provide a better opportunity for us. And if we are still sick, faith can give us peace and hope para patuloy na lumaban at hindi sumuko sa buhay dahil alam natin na sa tamang oras makakamtan natin ang kagalingan. Faith is the confidence that what we hope for will actually happen. It gives us assurance about things we cannot see. Remember that faith in God will not make things easy, but it will make things possible. Let's start walking by faith and not by sight. Stay blessed and continue to be a blessing.